Today, we bring you a microswitch MS10 that is lighter action and more convenient. Can be used in dishwasher, coffee machine, water purifier, drinking water and other equipment. A variety of contact terminals. A variety of levels. The quick insert component case is configured. Can be equipped with quick plug devices available on the market REST 2.5. Plug and play. The spring acts on the button directly. Fast reset. Small OF and more stable. In the case of small OF, the ratio of OF to RF is over 50%. UF can be as low as 15 grams. Simple support point design. Stable travel. Let's look at its dimension. Dongnan micro switch.